open the helmet to actually see. I'm also breathing quite a lot and I'm quite hot because of the amount of layers that I've got on. At least it's not cold and icy, or too windy actually. It's not too windy either. Again, having to crack open that helmet lid. And let's see. Oh, there's another biker. Nice. This is other maniacs out there. I'm not going to try and do any filtering just now. My helmet that's steaming up is my glasses as well. So just everything is making it very difficult to see where I'm going. And then even when it's not steamed up, there's so much rain on the visor. Oh my god. And the rucksack's not waterproof either. Ugh. Fuck, this is intense. Oh man, I think I'm gonna regret going this way. Fuck, I can't even see these massive fucking puddles. Can't see shit. Literally. Visor. Fuck, I can't see. Fuck, I shit. Visor up, visor down. I'm blind because it's steamed up. And it's covered in rain. Visor up, the rain's hit my face and the wind's in my eyes. And then fucking hell. There's gonna be a massive fucking puddle up here. Oh, and it fucking stinks as well. If this is just fucking sewage water. Oh my god, am I going through that? Yeah, I can actually get past that. Oh, sweet, got past it. There's definitely some sort of sewage plant around here that cleans all the water. It stinks. Oh my god, my arms are knackered already. 5 minutes of riding, my arms are destroyed. I'm just like so tense. Got to be more relaxed. Chill. Oh, this is a bit shit. Joining fast moving traffic at a junction in the pissing rain where there's massive holes in the road. Fuck me. Find the safest of the road. Brakes are still good coming to a stop in the rain, no problem there. Oh Christ, this is exhausting. Okay, one thing I will say though is even though it's absolutely terrifying to ride in this weather, this bike definitely does still give me a massive sense of joy. Apart from the sheer nervousness, the tenseness, I'm so tense, the other drivers and all that kind of stuff. Look at the steam coming off the radiator there. burning off all the gunk there. It's still just such a manly feeling of a bike. It just feels cool. There's no part of this where I'm not still thinking this is such a cool ride. Just a terrifying ride. Gotta man up a little bit. Right. Safe, it's good. Let's go. And still very easy to maneuver and all that. So a right hand turn on a downhill in the wet. A little bit nervous. So just take it nice and slow, foot and rear brake, slowly controlling. Nice and easy over the river. Jesus Christ. Literally rivers going down the road here. There's a river there at the side, rivers in front, absolutely very wet. Okay, oh my god. Coming towards me, so I'm going to pull in here so I'm not driving straight towards them. Whoa, that's in this fucking river and pond. Fuck me. Whoa, these potholes fucking fuck. Sorry for getting you so dirty. Oh, look at you. Oh, wet. Sexy. Sexy and wet. Oh, all that. Okay, service done. Bike looking good. Let's head out. Rain not quite as rainy as what it was when I got here. Okay, coming up to one of the most scary roundabouts in all of Edinburgh. Massive, I think there's like 8 different junctions going on here. Not only that, we're doing it in the dark, we're doing the wet, we're doing it in the cold. This is going to be interesting. So it's it's traffic light, but I think there are still a few potholes in this as well. Definitely not doing any filtering here because it's so tight on either side of the cars here. So just want to kind of get in lane, stay in lane, and get around this nice and safely. Maybe in summertime I'd feel more confident weaving in and out of the traffic, which I did on my other bikes, but certainly with this, just now in this weather, stopping and starting on wet, cold, wet ground, dark, just nerve-wracking. So I can come off here, visor down. Okay, should I try some filtering? Gonna give it a little try. Probably going first you've got more traction control, more ability to quickly get out of any hazards. Good van man, good man. Could be a woman, but still a van man. Like, oh, even the white lines in the cat's eyes feel like big bumps. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! And I think they're a wee bit slippy as well. So let's get going. Yes, good man. Oh no, you're kind of in the way. Whoop. Over to the right. Woo! I know I've got the space to get through there, just you also don't want to rush through any, or I don't want to rush through any gap there just in case somebody in front is moving out of the way or thinking of changing lane. So harsh accelerating through gaps, not a great plan. This is why all you need is a cruiser. Because all I'm doing is going at cruising speed, first gear, nice and loud. Pay fucking attention, you know. Absolutely dithering idiots. Anyway. Woo! Oh, this is what it's all about. Weaving, well not even weaving through the traffic, just gently filtering through the traffic. When it's nice, thick traffic like this, nobody's going fast. And I'm just slowly making my way through all the traffic there. Pay attention, people.